Welcome everyone, another beautiful day in the neighborhood. This box, wow. Oh, I can't wrap my arms around it, it's so big. Enormous box, number 37. Might be a two-parter. Just so everyone know, there's still a reward out for poor Elizabeth. I'm offering $50 reward. Alright, let's get to the excitement. Box number 37. Box number 37, yes! How do I get in it? Tool. Yeah! Yeah, take that, take that, yeah. Whoa, I can't even see up in there. What's in there? Ooh, ooh, wow. Look at that. What is it? Man, no kidding. But what is it? It reminds me of one of those. What do you call those? Those novelty buns they used to put on the desk. You're supposed to hit it when things are bad or something. If I remember right. Well. And I'm I have my glasses on so I can focus. Check that out. Cool, I just want to push it. Alright, nice foot pedal, nice foot pedal. Type 043, that's all I know. That's all I know. Alright, that was exciting. Harley agrees. A Rocketeer top. Missing the important part. Right on. Man, it's so hard to reach up in there. How can we do this? We gotta take some more stuff out. Right here's a stool. A Singer foot pedal. A common 3-hole. Make this 3-hole foot pedal Singer. We'll test it first. 15 bucks, whoever wants it, 15 bucks. We'll set that down right here. 3-hole foot pedal. Very common on not a parts. Hey, check it out. Just a miscellaneous sewing machine part. Ooh, don't break the table. Put that on the ground. Hey, a bungee cord. Woo! Oh, yeah! Exciting. Scram. Alright. Yes! Look at that. Just sitting there. Ooh. Can you all see yourselves? Hold on. There we go. Can you see yourselves at home? This is sometimes referred to as a t-shirt. T-shirt cover hole plate. And it has a thing back here. Sometimes you gotta oil them. This one's working. Sometimes they get stuck. This one has some light surface rust. Might be able to clean it up. A lot of times when it's light like that, it can come off. But when it gets too bad, then it's, you know. Alright, we have some cool, a top part. Sometimes some of the top bake lights get messed up. This one's a really nice one. The toe. Some you gotta watch for hairline cracks. I like to inspect them, and this one does pass. This is a nice top. Hold on one second. You need to go out? You need to go out? You just cold? Come on up here. Come here. Up, up. Come on. Up, up. Up, up. Come on. Get up in there. I might have the heater going. Alright, my dog's cold. What else we have? Poor Miss Harley's. Hey, it's the other part of the foot pedal. Wired backwards. Shouldn't be coming out of there like that. So, I don't know what's up with this. We'll set that down right there. There's a box in a box. A box in a box. Yes! What is it? Ooh, opens up this way. It's a pizza! No kidding. Hold on one second. Excuse me, something. It's good. Hey, what's this? Harley, chill out. I was kidding, it's not pizza for those that thought it was pizza. It's time cards. Alright. Time cards. Wonderful. Alright. Fortunately, I'm a one-man army. I get help once in a while. Zigzag cams. Yes. Yes! Cams are like gold. Let's take a peek. Woohoo! Yeah! Yes! Yes, this is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow! It's the rare 24-piece cam set I've been looking for. Where have you been all my life? Ooh. Oh, you ready? Boom! Yeah! Yeah! Alright. Very, very nice find. Alright. You gotta come down off of here. Off your high horse. Because I'm tired of getting up there. Okay, that's better. I'd rather reach down for him. Big old whatever. Throw that on the floor. Getting some foot pedal parts. Here's a little bit scratched up. For like a 337. We'll set that on the ground. Like a 337 or 338. Probably a bunch of other ones. Another common 3-hole Singer. So you got them in choices of black and brown. Black and brown. $15 for the 3-hole ones. We'll clear some of them out of here. A lot of foot pedals. There's a lot of foot pedals. This is a Singer 120808. It's a weird 3-hole. It's like this shape. Wires coming out of both ends. I'm not sure what that would be used for. Wow. This is what they use. I actually know a little history about this. Frankenstein. Anyone that knows Frankenstein, this is the kind of plug they use. Yeah. And right there, they use that kind of plug. Check it out. A foot pedal shaped like a foot. With this crazy Frankenstein plug. We'll call it the Frankenstein plug. And this, whatever it is, that's the end. Whatever it goes to. It's a really heavy foot pedal. Gotta be a good 2 pounds. Another! Nope, I'm wrong. This one's a 5-hole. A 5-hole. A lucky 5-hole Singer foot pedal. For a Singer 6136. Given for the exchange of labor. Another one of them 337 plugs, 338, and whatever else that design goes to. Another one of these 3-hole ones that are like in the middle of a plug. Brown Singer foot pedal. The bottom of a Kenmore sewing machine case. That was in the box. I told you it was a big box. This one's messed up, but for old Kenmore, I think it's messed up. I felt a part of the plug messed up. It's this kind of foot pedal though. It's one of the nice ones. Oh yeah, there it is. It's a long plug. It looks like someone added to it. That's exactly what they did. They cut the end off and added. They must have had to be far away or something. They needed a long cord. Another one of them. Wrong foot pedal. I probably don't. Oh, this one looks cool. What is it? It's a Type 920. No, a 290. Look at it. It's massive. An enormous foot pedal in the enormous box. What are the chances? Whoa. Wow. Giant. It's a giant. Wow, you're going to have a massive foot. Alright. No wonder they needed such a big box to fit these foot pedals in. Another one of those. Ew. Ew. Nastiness. It would go right in the trash if it didn't have a good end on it. We'll salvage the end of that. Okay, we're getting down to the last couple foot pedals in here. This one is another 3-hole. One of these guys. We've seen a lot of them. A lot of those. Come on, give it up. Electronic. I think someone made a comment. They think these are for sergers. Wow, a lot of stuff on the bottom. We got to figure out how to get it out up here. Singer cover plate. Don't know exactly what it is offhand. Oh, let's start with this thing. Looks like a whole compartment. And there's goodies inside. How do you get in here? It's broken. There's stuff in here. Give it up. Nope. Alright, some stuff. This part is broken though. I guess it slid in here somehow. It is definitely broken. Oh, Singer box. What's in here? .401. A slant, or is that a low? That might be a low quilting foot. That's a slant quilting foot. I don't know. Stitch in the ditch, maybe? Hold on. Alright, cool. Those boxes are always breaking. Alright, another foot pedal top with the miscellaneous steel part. A couple of screws. Looks like some, maybe an extension table to something. Ooh, look at this. A nice little quilting foot. Or maybe a darning foot, perhaps. And these are they... What are those for? That's a nice find. There's stuff inside. Ooh, scared me. That was just a little bag of goodies. I don't know what this goes to, if anybody needs it. No clue. Looks like this one's okay, not broken. And then we have a white sewing machine belt. Quality leathers. Very dusty. Ooh, look at that. Even have the original clip on there. Can be cut to fit any machine. With hook. That's how they advertised it. With the hook. Some old tension assembly for a singer and some miscellaneous little parts in there. Now I'm getting tired of bending over. A singer bag. Trash. Just bring some stuff topside, and then we'll talk about it. That's one enormous box. So you Kenmore cover plate. We'll just hold them up here. Blind stitch. It says blind stitch on it. A knob. Top shank ruffler. Stop motion screw. Oh, how pretty. Some needles. Shuttle hook. Another top shank ruffler. Oh, that's a pretty design. I don't think I've ever got seen that one. Look at it. Can anyone see that? Very nice. Round plate, flat. That's pretty much it. Cover plate. There was nothing in this box we pulled out. What else was? I think that's it. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this enormous box. Number 37. If you know anyone that you think would like this video, please share it. Subscribe and like the video as well. Enjoy your day. More boxes to come soon.